In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Auto Name Range add-on. You can see here I've got an example Google Sheet here with a little table with some information. You can see here I've got a header row where I've got a header of example, the color and number. Your data could be absolutely anything that you want, but this is just a example to show you. Now if I wanted to use any of the information in this table here, I could go equals and I could type in B2 to B6, or if I wanted to include the entire range, I could just leave it at B. But this can be quite messy in your big sheets, especially when you're trying to use data across different sheets in your spreadsheet. It can be very confusing and difficult to read later. Google has a fantastic method called named ranges, which allows you to add a range and you can then give that range a name. So for example, I could select this and I could give that an example. I could call it example. Then if I wanted to call that range, I could just type in example, and you can see that that is automatically referring to that range. And there are a couple of other ways that you can create ranges as well. What this add-on does, I'm going to remove that example there. What this add-on does is it aims to speed up that process and make it really quick. If you've got a whole load of headers up here and you don't want to have to type in and create a named range for each of them individually, go to the Auto Name Ranges add-on, and what you can then do is you can tell the add-on what your header row is. So in this case it would be B1 to D1. You can also leave that blank and it will just assume that your row 1 is the header row. So I'm going to create my named ranges there now, and you can see that it has automatically created 3 named ranges. If I go back into that named ranges tab now, you can see that I have got 3 different ranges. I've got color, I've got example, and I have got number, and now I can use them anywhere I like in my sheet, and it will automatically find that data. You can see that at the moment the add-on is programmed to do the complete range, just in case your data grows. If there's interest, I will be able to add on extra features just to include the actual data that is in the table rather than the entire column. Thank you for watching.